Have you ever wanted to make your emails look more professional and interactive? Today, I'll show you how to hyperlink an email address in Google Gmail. It's quick, simple, and makes your messages stand out instantly. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account and head to your inbox. In the top left corner, click the Compose button to start a new email. This opens up your message window where you can begin typing your content. Now, in the body of the email, type the email address you want to turn into a clickable link. Double check that it's spelled correctly. Even one small typo can break the link. Next, use your mouse to highlight the email address. Then, look at the toolbar at the bottom of the message window. You'll see an icon that looks like a chain link. That's the key, the link tool. Click on it. A small dialog box will appear. It should automatically fill in your email address, but you can also type one in manually using the format. Mail to someone at example.com. Once that's done, click Apply. You'll notice the email address is now underlined and usually turns blue. That's your hyperlink. When someone clicks it, it automatically opens a new email draft addressed to that email. And that's it. You've just learned how to hyperlink an email address in Gmail. A simple trick that instantly makes your messages more polished and user-friendly. If you found this helpful, be sure to keep exploring more quick digital tips like this one. Small tweaks that make a big difference in how you communicate online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.